This is how to sample colors from Mozilla Firefox in Adobe Illustrator. So the first thing I want to do is to have Illustrator and Firefox next to each other. This will make it a lot easier to sample the colors. Then find whatever you want to sample the colors from. It can be an image or a website or anything else you want to sample a color from. Then we want to select our eyedropper tool right here. And now we can't just go and click on these colors right here, because then we will just select the image. So what we want to do instead is start off by clicking at the canvas inside Adobe Illustrator. And then we want to hold down the mouse key and drag it all the way outside of Illustrator and into whatever you want to sample. And as you can tell right here, from my fill right here, I didn't grab the blue color from the ocean right here. It is just black. And I did this on purpose because you might run into this issue as well. Or maybe your program is just sampling the colors right away. But if you run into this issue, I will tell you now how to solve it. And this tip applies to other browsers as well. I will have a similar video on how to solve this in Google Chrome down in the description as well. But this video is for Firefox, and this is how to solve it inside Firefox. So what you want to do is go to Firefox and then go to Settings in this drop down right here and select Settings. Then we want to scroll all the way down until we see this section right here that says Performance. If this box is checked, you want to uncheck it like this, because this checkbox right here is the reason why you can't sample your colors. It is because you use hardware acceleration. So what you want to do is just uncheck this box right here. And then to apply it, we want to restart our browser. So simply close down the browser and start it up again. So here I have restarted the browser after we turned off hardware acceleration. Now we can go find our eyedropper tool once again. Then click and hold on the canvas and then drag outside Illustrator. And as you can tell from the fill right now, it is sampling the blue color from this ocean right here. And one more thing, if you're on Mac, you might have to do this as well. So go to Setting, Privacy and Security, Screen and System Audio Recording, and then enable Adobe Illustrator. This will allow Illustrator to sample colors from outside the Illustrator window. This is not necessary if you're using Windows. Now watch this next video that YouTube recommends for you.